उठे सर भी मेरा जो हो जीत तेरी।
It is truer to say that martyrs create faith than faith create martyrs. Jan 30, Martyrs' Day. This day was chosen to honor our brave martyrs who led their life for the country. On 13th Jan 1948, Gandhi was assassinated and martyred. On 23rd March 1931 was also a sad tale of three revolutionaries in India. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar and Shivaram Rajguru were hanged by the British government. So for paying homage to this legend, we observe Martyrs' Day. It is observed as an annual day by the nation to salute the martyrdom of soldiers who lost their lives for defending sovereignty of the nation. Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of India. So let us salute all the freedom fighters who led their lives for the country. Jai Hind.
The light has gone out of our lives. The words of Nehru when Gandhi passed away. Gandhi was a very empowering and visionary leader. He empowered all Indians on Salt March to correct the British economic system. He also inspired all Indians to learn and understand the new resistance through non-violent civil disobedience. He gave all Indians a new spirit, a sense of self-respect and pride in their civilization. He was something more than a mere politician. He was a great statesman and man of nation. In India, Gandhi established his acknowledgement by leading to example. He also established himself as the slave of people of India, empowering the general public. He made it his policy to practice what he preached. Even the small things like spinning yarn to make his own clothes. He resorted to a simple and poor living just like the millions of Indians. Hence, they could look at him as one of their own. They saw their own sufferings in himself. Gandhi had been very well recognized through his works and movements in South Africa. People had great honor and hope from him due to his achievements. His non-violent activities was very well respected in Indian society. Since he was already empowering and visionary, he was a transformational leader. He empowered all his followers toward success. He gave them hope when there may be none. Great outstanding qualities of Gandhi, which made him a transformational leader of modern history, was self-confidence and long-term vision. Let us be proud for having such a great leader as the father of our nation. Let us remember him and have gratitude as a representative of all freedom fighters who lost their lives to give our nation back. Jai Hind.
Soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but because he loves what is behind him. Every country, whether it is big or small, must have defense forces, and these are of three types: Army, Navy, and Air Force. The strength of each force depends on the area of the country. The real guard and protectors of country are only soldiers, not the politicians. The security of whole nation depends on them. A person after joining as a soldier has to undergo very hard training, and this is a very difficult and hard time for them. They had to stay without family and to protect their nation. As we all know, Himalaya is full of cold and frozen, and also in such a condition also they has to face loads of hardship. A soldier's life is full of sacrifices. When there is strikes, communal conflicts, or any other natural calamities arises, our army comes there to help us each individual. At this point, I remember during China's attack in India, the condition of our army was miserable. They do not have warm clothes, they don't have modern weapons, they don't have proper food and other things. I hope you all understand how much effort a soldier suffer for his country. Let us all pray for them and their family. Jai Hind.
The presence of the nation stands on the foundation that has been laid on the lives of the freedom fighters. These martyrs sacrificed their lives to ensure that the future generation gets the freedom from chains of slavery. It's the cause, not the death, that makes the martyr. Let us salute the martyrs for the sacrifices they made and thank them for giving us our today.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बढ़ के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी